Hi folks, this is Oswin Salins from Pure Eco Homes. Welcome to our latest project in Blackburn in Melbourne. In this super high performance eco home, we have three major components. We have the super air tightness within the home. We have the mechanical ventilation system, which is an energy recovery system. And then we have really high quality German glazing throughout the home. Enough of me, let's go inside and have a look at what's on offer. I want to show you the heat recovery system that we've got here in this house. It's a Stiebel Eltron 170E, and the purpose of this system is because the home is so airtight, you need a means to introduce fresh air into the home. Okay, and that's what this unit does. But it does another very important function. It recovers the energy within the heat. It takes stale air out of the home and brings the same amount of cold or fresh air into the home. And while it's doing that, it warms that air with the heat that it's taking out of the stale air. Very important, and that's one of the reasons why these homes are so energy efficient. This little box here is linked to your heat recovery system. And what this does is control how the unit works. So for example, you can have it on auto, which means it regulates the speed of the unit and the quality of the air coming into the home, depending on the CO2 within the home. Let's say, for example, you're having a party. There's about 20 guests, all having a drink and a laugh. You're going to generate a hell of a lot more CO2. That unit will automatically kick up the speed of the unit to provide you with the required fresh air. Alternatively, you can just manually click that button and take you up to party mode or normal mode or setback during the night, or just leave it on auto if you don't want to be hassled by any of that, and it'll do its trick. If you are having a party, you can also turn that dial up, okay, like that, and that'll give you an increase in speed. I want to show you something else that's part of the whole high-performance eco build, particularly for asthma and allergy sufferers, because the standard push-around vacuum cleaners are really not very good. What you should be doing is to have a ducted vacuum system. So this point here, you simply insert the hose into there and it automatically comes on. Your container unit is placed in the garage, or in this case under the house, because we've got a subfloor here. You do that, plug it in, vacuum, you get absolutely no pollution into your internal environment, and that is really the best solution for asthma and allergy sufferers. Okay, so I want to show you something here which is basically a sweeper, and when we touch that button, it basically just vacuum anything up. We're in the kitchen area, and there's some interesting things that we fitted in here for the owners. The sink is a stainless steel handmade sink, and it's got a little drainer on here for just setting stuff once you've washed it, so it drains away. Normally there'll just be two tubs in there. Another awesome feature of the kitchen is this Schweigen silent range hood. Now with the silence, the motor's on the outside wall, so when you turn it on, you can barely hear it going. The owners have chosen VZUG appliances. Now VZUG is made in Switzerland. They're high-end, high-quality units. That's an induction cooktop there. We have got 5 kilowatt PV array on the roof, so that's going to power all of this. We don't have gas in this house. With the VZUG, we've got a normal oven, and we've also got beneath it a beautiful steam oven. So the chefs among you will love that. We talked about the airtightness system in the high-performance super eco that we built. Now, the airtightness system is the full SIGA airtightness system, which is best in the world. and that is used on the external as well as the internal wall. All penetrations are sealed, so there's no chance for any air intrusion to come through. This home has achieved 0.84 ACH, which is the air tightness measure of it. Now, if you think about the gold standard in the world, for passive house, that's 0.6 ACH, and here in Blackburn, Melbourne, we're at 0.84. But the cost to build this home, as opposed to a full-blown passive house, quite considerable difference. The heat pump, again by Stiebel Eltron, we're using a 300 litre here, so the owners will never run out of hot water. It's got a fast recovery system, very energy efficient, and of course 5 kilowatts on the roof. We'll power that, we'll power our induction, power anything, power the air conditioning, etc., without any additional penalties in terms of power bill. There's a rainwater tank outside, 3,000 litres, connected to the toilets for flushing, etc. You know, the house is very, very efficient in terms of using water, using power, etc. So the owners are going to very much enjoy living in this place. If you're after a super energy efficient home that helps you live comfortably, reduce your power bills, or you've got asthma and allergy sufferers in the family and you want to give them a better quality of life, call Pure Eco Homes or Oswin on 0405 429 475. I will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching.